up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, Practically Home. I'm Aubrey, and if you guys are new here, hi and what's up? Welcome. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys some really good dupes for the Anthropologie Primrose Mirror. Now, if you guys have no idea what the heck I'm even talking about, let me give you guys a little rundown. Anthropologie carries this mirror called the Primrose. It is so flippin' expensive. For a 7-foot floor length mirror, it's $1,500. And don't get me wrong, this mirror is beautiful, but it is hella expensive. I wanted to gather together some really good dupes for this mirror. Now, hence the word dupes, okay? None of these mirrors look identical to the Primrose mirror from Anthropologie, but I have found some really good similar ones that are kind of have that same vibe going on, and it's for a fraction of the cost. So let's get into it. The first dupe I want to show you guys is from Wayfair.com. This is a Churchton Arch full length mirror. It's $5.29. I thought this mirror was a really great dupe to show you guys because I love the full length. It has that really like vintage detailing at the top, and then also has a really nice beveled detail along the side of the mirror, which I thought was really nice. This one's a little bit more chunkier frame, but you still get that full length mirror and you still get that nice vintage detail on the top. So this might be a really good dupe if you guys are looking at purchasing that mirror. Check out this one. This might be a good option. All right, this next dupe is from, again, Wayfair.com. This is the modern and contemporary English accent mirror. I could actually see myself having this mirror in my own home, maybe in like a powder bathroom or something. I really love the scrolling on this mirror. This mirror is $3.89 and it has really great reviews. It has 4.8 stars, and this one comes in the color gold leaf. This one definitely has that like way more yellow tones to that gold. I don't love this color of the mirror, so I would be that person that takes a can of paint and gives it a nice little coat of like a color that I love. It is handcrafted, and I really love the scrolling around this mirror. It's just super feminine. It has that really cool like old world vintage vibe to it, which I think would look really pretty even if you layered this up on a console table with some really cool oil paintings and some like, you know, floral piece, like light a candle, you know, it would just have like that really unique piece that looks like it's handed down. So I really love this mirror. I think it's a really great dupe. The next mirror I want to show you is from Amazon.com. We all love Amazon here. This one is called the Hamilton Hills Top Gold Wall Mirror. It has this old rich world feel to it, and I actually really like this color of the gold finish on this mirror. This one's really unique and cool. This is the type of mirror that I would want to have on my like nightstand, or to kind of create like a little vignette with. This mirror is only $2.23. I think that's a great price for this type of mirror, and it comes in a 40 by 30, which is actually a decent size. That's, well, I can't really show you, but it is a really good size. And so if you guys are looking for a mirror, definitely check out this one. Again, this one has that beveled edge around the mirror, and I love the scrolling on the top. It has like these little like rose scrolls and the leaves, which are really pretty. So this mirror is a really great option. Make sure you guys check this one out. I'll link all these down below, but I think this is a really great dupe. I love how unique and perfect this little mirror is. It almost gives you just like a touch of that old world feel without having to break your bank account. The next mirror I want to show you guys is another full length mirror. This one is from Wayfair.com. This is by the brand Grey Lay. They actually have a lot of great pieces by this brand. I have a few in my saved cart. This mirror has a 4.8 star review, and it has over 322 reviews. So obviously people really like it. It's a really great option. I actually really love the look of this mirror. I love the scrolling, I love the details. I actually love the claw feet on the bottom of the mirror. I think this is a really gorgeous piece to have in your home, especially in like a master bedroom or a living room. So this mirror is engineered from wood, and it also has this champagne silver finish, and it's tall. Like, this is like a huge mirror. This is a mirror that definitely makes that statement piece. And for $5.79, you can't beat that price. The most I'd probably ever spend on a mirror would be about $5.79. I would never spend over $1,000 on a mirror. I just feel like I can make my penny stretch so much further. But I feel like this is a really great mirror to purchase. So if you guys are wanting that floor length mirror, definitely check out this one. Okay, the last mirror I want to show you guys is from Amazon.com as well. This is the Hickory Manor House Buffet mirror. This one's really cool. Probably out of all of these, this is probably one of my favorite mirrors. This is $329 and it is a little bit smaller than the last mirror I just showed you. This is 29 inches by 38 inches. So if you take about, 10 inches off each side, this mirror is just a little bit more smaller and compact. This mirror is really pretty. I love the scrolling detail. I could actually see me putting this on like a mantle over a fireplace with some other artwork or some family photos, something like that, where it could just be displayed and it's just something really pretty to look at in your home. So again, if you guys really like that Anthropologie Primrose mirror, these are some really great dupes that I just found that I feel like would kind of give you that same look and feel, but just at a fraction of the cost. So make sure you guys check out these mirrors if you are on the hunt for one. I'll link all these down below, and make sure you guys can check out my Pottery Barn dupes. There's a lot of great options that I pulled together that are still a fraction of the cost. You guys can check it out right down there. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.